Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look on take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar. So let's get started. Looking at the 4-hour chart of this currency pair and trading yesterday, the price moved back above this ceiling here. The ceiling area is defined by a number of different swing lows through here, and then swing highs through here. This is where the ceiling was started and developed and was respected by traders all through this period through here. This is, again, a 4-hour chart, so each of these dashed lines represents a week of trading. So that's a number of different weeks where the price came up into that swing area between 0.650 and 0.65229 and found willing sellers against that area. Number of different times right through here. In trading last week, the price did move above that level, but it failed, and then the market rotated back to the downside. And trading on Monday, the price moved above that level, tried to come down to retest it in trading yesterday, but didn't really get very close and rotated back to the upside. In trading here today, we're seeing a continuation of the move to the upside, with the price moving and getting to the 50% midpoint at 0.6582. Also moving toward the 200-day moving average that comes in at 0.65, looks like 88. So those 6 pips up there, the price moved in between the 50% retracement and the 200-day moving average. Needless to say, that 200-day moving average is providing some resistance, some selling opportunity for traders to take profit, perhaps off of the move to the upside, to lean against. Why? Because risk can be defined and limited against its level. If the price were to move above it, you simply get in on the break of the 200-day moving average and hope for further upside momentum. That further upside momentum would have traders looking toward this modest area between 0.6601 and 0.66008. Above that, we'll look for the 0.6622 area up here, and then ultimately look toward the 61.8% retracement of the move down from the July high to the October low at 0.66561. So there, on the downside, if the price does find willing sellers against the 200-day moving average, I'll look for rotation back lower. But this ceiling here was so key. It might be worthwhile for traders to just wait for the see if that level is broken on the downside. Some fundamental news would probably have to needed to get the price below that level. By the way, the Reserve Bank of Australia did release their meeting minutes, and they were a little bit more hawkish about certainly about inflation. Inflation has not come down enough, and so we're seeing perhaps a little bit of upside potential as a result of that. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye.